Today we'll be showing you the scientific method through a project that we've created.
We will be testing what brand of gum is best for blowing bubbles. We will measure this by chewing the gum for a set amount of time.
After that, we will roll each chewed piece into a ball shape and put a large weight on top of each. We will put the weight on each for a set amount of time.
The gum will flatten under the pressure, and this will allow us to measure the diameter. This will illustrate if the gum were to stretch when you actually blow a bubble.
We have already done this experiment and we'll show you now.
This is the experiment portion of the scientific method, but let's rewind for a little bit. The scientific method begins with a problem or a question. What gum should I buy if I want to blow bubbles? The next part is forming your hypothesis. We think that bubble yum will stretch the farthest. Another important thing is to be able to quantify your question. We've created a scenario similar to stretching the gum with your tongue. This is quantifiable because we can measure using the diameter of each shape.
The weight acts as a source of pressure that your tongue would be if you were stretching that piece of gum. By measuring the diameter, we see how far the gum flattens and stretches under pressure. After this experiment is complete, the next step is to gather and analyze your data. Using this data, draw up a solution to your problem and come to your conclusion.
So we've measured the gum, and the data shows that Extra is the best brand to buy if you want to blow bubbles. So, now that this quantifiable evidence has been gathered, let's form our conclusion.
The best brand of gum to buy if you want to blow the biggest bubble is Extra Gum.
These are the steps of the scientific method. So, let's do a quick review.
Problem, hypothesis, experiment, analysis, and conclusion.
Thanks for watching our video.